Minsan sa buhay, kailangan muna nating pagdaanan ng worst bago tayo maging best. Because life is about learning and growing. Hi, I'm Stephanie. Most of my friends calls me Steph. 26 years old, born and raised in Maribeles, Bataan. When I finished high school, kinuha ko ang course na Diploma in Office Management Technology sa PUP Maribeles branch. Malayo ito sa pangarap kong course, pero ginrab ko na dahil ang main goal ko ay ang makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Nung bata pa ako, I always told myself that I want to become a flight attendant, so I could ride an airplane and reach the sky. My dream is as vast and distant as the sky, so high that it seems impossible to achieve. Dreams are free after all. Some dreams never come true. They are supposed to be dreams forever. But sometimes, the dreams that came true are the dreams you never even knew you had. I became the breadwinner of our family at the age of 17. Got pregnant at 18 and married at 19. That time, I thought my dreams would end because I became a mother. Na hindi na ako pwedeng mangarap pa dahil sa pamilya ko na dapat iikot ang mundo ko. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako hanggang dito lang. I want more. I want to be more. This year, I enrolled in Open University of PUP Santa Mesa, Manila, and took the course BSBA major in Marketing Management. I chose this course because it aligns with the career I am pursuing now. People always mistakenly incorporate with us the idea of being discontented and ungrateful whenever we speak the term wanting more. If we have that dream, and we know that we have the potential to do so, I tell you, never ever doubt it, because it will lead you the way.